In this short video, I'm going to show you how to make an image the home button in Wix. Now, as you can see on my website right here, this is going to be the image that I'm going to be making into a home button. Now, in order to do that, what I want you to do is to head over to your Wix editor, which is this button right here in the top right corner of the screen, if you're in preview mode like me. Then once you are on your Wix editor, what you want to do is click on the image to highlight it, and then a bunch of different options are going to appear either below or above the image, as is in my case. Now, the button you want to click on from these is this link button right here. Once you've done that, this window is going to open up, and you want to click on page, which is right here. It should be selected by default. Then which page, choose a page, and then choose the home page of your Wix website. And then you can choose how does it open in a new window or a current window. I'm just going to go for a current window. And then once you're happy with the changes, click on done. Now, once we've done this, you can put this image anywhere you want on your website, pretty much. You can put it in your header, put it in your footer, put it on the side of the screen or any page. As you can see, I'm on menus page right here. You can also make it smaller or bigger, depending on your preferences. And yeah, once you're happy with everything, click on preview, and let's see whether this image takes us to our homepage and whether it acts as a home button. Let's click it. And yeah, as you can see, the image has taken us to our home page right here. So it is acting as a home button. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to turn an image into a home button in Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.